Hello and welcome back for another GRT price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the GRT chart and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first focus on a chart pattern that I gave you in my previous videos, which was supposed to give us a breakout to the lower side, where I showed you this triple top that we had here on the charts, having our key area of resistance at around the $0.1145 mark as our top, and our neckline at around the $0.1072 mark. And you can see we finally saw the breakout to the lower side in a breakdown move that gave us a low at around the $0.0996 mark. And that means that our target areas at around the $0.0992 mark we fully maximized. And at the time of this recording, you can see that we are seeing a bit of a recovery after seeing that breakdown to the lower side, and we are also holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. And there are high chances that GRT is going to continue unlocking higher prices, see a break above this neckline, which was acting as support at around the $0.1072 mark. And the moment we manage to break above it, we can watch out for a successful retest before we can continue gearing up to our next key area of resistance at around the $0.1145 mark. So that is the first possible scenario that I'm watching out here on the GRT chart. And at that key area of resistance, this is a very big decision point, because you can see that we have been getting rejected for 3 times over here. And that means that the moment we manage to break above it, maybe get a successful retest, then GRT is going to give us a very impulsive move, which could possibly take us above the $0.12 mark. GRT has also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and jumping to the 4 hour chart and also zooming out on the charts, you can see that after seeing our December lows, we saw that massive bounce to the upside in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.23 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 1. Then afterwards, we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2. Minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area, and there are high chances that the low for this second wave is now in, since we have fully maximized minimum target areas. And now GRT is now ready for a massive pump to the upper side in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 3, whose minimum target areas lie above the $1 mark by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.3748 mark. And that is the minimum that I'll be expecting GRT to do in the formation of that wave 3. And for it to confirm to us the low is in, we first need to see a complete 5 wave structure on the lower time frames, followed by an ABC corrective structure, and also a break above significant highs on the charts. Once you see such a movement on the charts, then that is enough confirmation that the low is in, and the start of an impulse in that wave 3 has now started. So that is what I'm watching out here on the GRT chart. Also taking a look at the indicators. On the RSI, we are trading at around the 38 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you updated.